In this video, pretty much everything you need to know about Mitsubishi Delica ladder, differences, installation tips, and much more. Yeah, let's get started. In my humble opinion, ladders, they're fantastic. They're so cool. You can climb high, get access to your roof racks if you have, and see the mountains. Here's a lower roof, short base with a ladder, high roof, long base without a ladder, and ladder is right here. Yeah, we're going to install. We'll show you how to do it, what tools to use. Here's all mounting hardware which I have with a ladder, all tools. We'll get to it in a minute. Yeah, let's see what differences are. High roof Delica door is 55.5 inches long. Let's measure what length on short roof Delica. Okay, let's open it up. I have one strut removed. It was leaking, and the stick is very reliable and won't ever fail, but not convenient. Measure the length of the door on lower roof, and we're at let me see, I am in parallel, yeah, roughly 52 inches or 132 centimeters. All right, both ladders, they serve the same purpose, but way they get installed, mounted, absolutely different. This one works, no drill design, just wedging, tightening the bottom and upper brackets and squeeze them together and make the ladder get tight on the top and bottom of the tailgate. Here's our adjustment screw with a lock washer underneath. You evenly tight 4 screws and pull this bracket up and down, and then ladder will get tight on the edge of the hatch door. There's spacers and no any other tools needed, just a Allen and or flat screwdriver. That's it. Easy, no drilling, no problems. This one is absolutely different. You can see here, here's the 2 studs at the very top, which we have holes here already pre-drilled by someone else. I didn't do that, and yeah, were those holes, and 2 on the bottom. We have a mounting plate with the bracket to mount to the edge of the hatch door, and backing plate with the 2 welded nuts which goes inside. Pretty easy, pretty simple, very nice, very reliable design. I think this one's like designed forever, won't ever fail. That one might need some service and tightening over time when clamps will settle, which is pretty easy to do. Installation, we need a 13mm socket or 13mm wrench. Both of them will work the same way. I have already inside hatch door panel removed, just easy as it is. Undo the handle, there's a couple 10mm screws, and popped all those plastic clips out, and it will come out. Let's put our ladder aside, we don't need it for the moment. We have to mount a lower mounting bracket on the bottom of the door. As you can see here, there's the holes already pre-drilled by someone. I didn't drill them. Ladder came separately with the Delica. Outside bracket is V-shape, is going like that. Bracket follows the profile of the edge, the door like that. Let's align the holes. Backing plate, flat side, it's going down in. Alright, she's in. Bolt with another, a couple few threads. Beautiful. Okay, one bolt is in. Started. Let's do Second one, same way, just align the backing plate with the hole and okay, bolts are started, but I will just go and snag. Okay, I'm just roll bolts in a little bit more, and bracket is still loose. Move it a little bit like that, you see, it will help us to align the holes on the bottom, and if we need to adjust the gap behind the ladder and a hatch door, yeah, we can always tie them a bit later at the very end. Let's close the door. There we go. It looks like this outside. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4 mounting points. Time to go up. Okay, and let's align our studs with the holes like that, and another one like that. Beautiful. Okay, now we have 2 more holes to align over here. As you can see, it can be adjusted. Keep it a little bit further out like that. You don't want to scratch the paint. But yeah, if this video is helpful, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, comments, critiques, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Yeah, here we go. Second bolt. We're just starting everything by hand. And remember, we still have 2 studs waiting for nuts. This installation is not nuts, it's easy. Okay. Beautiful. Don't need to tighten anything at the moment. Just a hand tight for now. Awesome. Okay. Now let's move our step ladder. It's ladder too, but different type. Open it up our hatch door, tailgate, rear door, whatever you call it. And here's our two studs waiting for the nuts. Okay, let's do that. That's it, easy as that. Now go ahead and tight all those 13mm nuts. Adjust your gaps, make sure it's not rubbing against the door panel. Yeah, pretty straightforward, pretty easy. I'm going to tight all of them, and we're good to go. This one is made by Terzo, the pro's choice in sports racks. Terzo design, made in Japan. Good one. I might just polish this aluminum to make it shiny again. And this one, by the way, is made in Japan too. You see this Japanese language imprint, hieroglyphic. Fortunately, I cannot read it. I wish. I need to go to Japan and start learning more Japanese. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciating that lots. And if you have any comments, questions, put everything down in the comment section below. Take care, see you soon. Bye bye.